Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to fix Kia Rio Key updated. First, find a quiet workspace with good light and clear your table. Remove the key fob cover carefully and take notes on button positions. Test the battery voltage and look for corrosion or loose solder. If needed, order the correct CR2032 battery and a compatible key blank. Stay patient and follow each step slowly to avoid damage. Start by replacing the CR2032 battery and testing the fob function after the swap. Carefully clean all battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to remove corrosion. Inspect the contact springs and tabs for proper tension and realign bent pieces with small pliers. Reassemble the fob and test buttons before programming. If the key still fails, the issue may lie with the circuit board or transponder chip. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making car repair guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated anywhere and has a solid lid that won't spill while you work on a fob. It's compact, easy to grip, and perfect for long troubleshooting sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the fob powers on but won't unlock the car, try reprogramming using the Kia Rio procedure or a trusted guide. For worn physical keys, cut a new blank and test the mechanical fit in the door and ignition. If programming fails, the transponder chip or vehicle ECU may need dealer-level tools. Keep receipts for any parts and seek a locksmith or dealer when you hit a technical wall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.